go. Sir, do you have any ideas about nature numbers?
Yes.
How about you?
A little bit.
Because of that, I have a two or one question for you. First is, what new ideas about mathematics did you learn?
So this talks about how math helps us understand patterns in nature. It mentions two newer math ideas, fractals and chaos, which shall help us see complicated patterns in things like clouds and mountains. Math isn't just for solving problems.
Okay, thank you for that. And how about you?
I think it's also help us appreciate nature's beauty and improve things like satellites and healthcares. So, math is like a special tool that help us explore and make sense of the world around us.
Thank you for answering my question. Let's go find some other guys to answer our second question. Hello, good day. Can I ask you some questions about nature numbers?
Yes.
How about you, sir? You have any ideas about the topic that I said?
Yes.
I have
So I have a one question for you two. And that is, what is about mathematics that might have changed your thought about it?
It shows how mathematics is a useful tool for comprehending the patterns and regularities in the natural world, and it's not simply about solving equation and doing computation.
What about you, sir?
For me, it presents fractals and chaos as more recent mathematical theories that have improved our comprehension of nature's complexity by highlighting mathematics' role in revealing the beauty and fundamental laws of cosmos. This viewpoint makes us want to reconsider the discipline as something more than a subject.
Thank you for your long answer, sir. And let's proceed to our third question. Let's go find some other student that has idea in nature numbers. And for the last part, let's ask them how useful mathematics to their courses. Hello, sir. Excuse me. Can I ask your name?
I'm Clark Baybay.
And what is your course?
Electronics engineering.
Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
How useful is mathematics to you and your course?
For me, since my house is far away from my school, I think I use math with my fares with traveling fares, and also from buying lunch or food.
Thank you, sir. And how about you, ma'am? How useful mathematics to you and your course? First thing, what is your name?
Hazel Ocampo,
And your course, ma'am?
electronics engineering.
What is your answer to my question?
So, mathematics plays a fundamental and pervasive role in electronics engineering. It is the language of analysis and design in this field, and is essential for solving problems solving engineering problems.
Okay, thank you. Sir, what's your name?
I'm Elijah.
And your course is?
Same as them, electronics engineering.
And how useful is mathematics to you and your course?
For me, for my everyday life, mathematics is useful for me for traveling, especially when school days. For the traveling first, just as Clark, and for my chosen course, which is electronics engineering, we are more on programming, so we have patterns. That's how useful for me.
Thank you for answering my question. And my own answer in how useful is mathematics to me and to my course. I'm Juliana, electronics engineering student. And mathematics is a critical aspect of engineering as it provides the tools and techniques necessary for modeling and analyzing complex. And for daily basis, I always use mathematics. And for you, how useful is mathematics to you and your course?
For me, mathematics is useful for my daily life because my course is need work as a student is to travel from home to school and spending my allowance all over the week.